princess. Hi guys, Paul Reese here, DPRS Unlimited, little guy helping little guy. Just joined another beautiful day out here in Colorado. So just wanted to kind of stop in and talk to you guys today a little bit about money. So money's kind of become a taboo subject in our society today. It's really something that nobody really likes to talk about. So, and one of the best things that you can do for yourself is to pay attention to your money, but unfortunately that's something that not very many people do. And when you don't pay attention to where your money's going or where your money's coming from or even the sources of your money, then it's really hard to keep. And you notice this with probably about 95% of America, that everybody's always fucking broke all the time. Doesn't matter how much they make, whether they work fast food or they're a CEO. A lot of people are, you know, at the end of the paycheck period, you know, they're broke. They've spent all their money. The reason kind of for this is because of discontentment. So as human beings, it's kind of the emotion that's helped us to grow and continue our lives. We wouldn't be where we are today if we didn't have discontentment. If we didn't have a feeling that we wanted more, then humans wouldn't grow as a society. We'd still be living in caves. So it's a good thing that we had that. However, it's bad that we let it go to a point that we really lose control. And so especially the American population, I notice this because I live here in America, I can't speak for the rest of the world, is, you know, it's horrible when it comes to things like that. How's it going, Kelly? Thanks for watching. So realistically, the fact of the matter is that most Americans live not below their means, actually, but above their means. So what do I mean by that? Is they're actually spending credit cards and they're promising their income for months and years into the future, not knowing whether or not they can have it. So, you know, when you work for somebody else, for example, you don't know what they're going to do. You don't know what that company's going to do. If that company goes bankrupt tomorrow, you're out of a fucking job. Sorry, so sad. And that's just kind of how it works. So one of the best things that you can do for yourself is first set up a 6-month emergency fund. You should have at least 6 months worth of cushion that is there that can pay your bills if you have no income for the next 6 months. Okay, so once that's set up, then you feel a little bit more free, a little bit more relaxed. If you lost your job tomorrow, who gives a shit? You can find another job and replace that income before those 6 months is up. I promise you, especially here in America. All right. So once you got your 6 months emergency fund set up, next thing that you want to do is start taking at least 10% of your money and putting it away and investing that money. Now, you don't want to move that money unless it makes you at least 10% interest or more. And if you do that, you'll notice that that investment soon grows very, very quickly through exponential growth. You'll notice compound interest. Even Einstein said it was his favorite equation, because how it realistically works is you're not only got the principal, but you got the interest, and then you got the interest on that interest. So when that compound effect adds up, it grows really big really quick. So you'll notice very quickly that your investments the income you're getting from your investments start to outgrow the income that you're getting from your employment or even from your business. So next step, what do you want to do with your money after that? Well, actually I kind of skipped a step. The very, very first thing that you want to do with your money is budget it, especially if you're the typical American. You want to get yourself to a 70%, okay? So you want to be able to spend 70% of your money, and that is it. That should go to your bills, your housing, your food, your groceries, everything like that. So what do you do with that other 30%? 10% should go to savings. 10% should be given away because it feels good, makes you feel good. Give to those that are in need. Whether, you know, it's your favorite animal donation or homeless shelter or whatever organization that you believe in, give some of it away. And the other 10%, for most people, you're in debt. So the other 10%, you're going to want to pay off the debts that you do currently have with that. So that's your credit cards, your mortgage, your car payments, all things like that. Get yourself debt free, because when you don't have any debts, life's a little easy. So that's the first step. Set up the 6-month emergency fund, then start investing your money. If you do those 3 things, I don't care if you work a fast food job and you never move up from there, you're gonna be fine. All right, guys, so this has been Paul Reese here, DPRS Unlimited. Hope these money tips help you this morning. I know it's been kind of a long video. We kind of rambled around a little bit, but if you find this helpful, let me know. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.